long walk to freedom. Be restless until we reach our freedom. The freedom to enlighten the nation, to enlighten the world. You all are welcome to Lockdown Mastermind 004. First question. Which is the oldest water bird sanctuary in India? A. Vetangal Bird Sanctuary. B. Kialudia Ghana National Park. C. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. D. Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary. Second question. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Central Board of Secondary Education? A. Anita Karwal. B. Manoj Ahuja. C. Vasudhi Mishra. D. Kapil Dev Tripathi. Question number 3. Arrange these historical places in south to north direction, upward direction. Ujjain, Calicut, Kannauj, Vijayawada. Fourth question. Yes. Identify this ex-IFS officer who is presently a cabinet minister in the union government. Fifth question. When do we observe International Migrants Day? A. 10 May. B. 21 June. C. 10 December. D. 18 December. A relevant question of this present time. Sixth question. Who was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in any branch of science? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. C.V. Raman. C. Hargobind Khorana. D. Subramanian Chandrasekhar. Who invented basketball? A. William J. Morgan. B. Michael Jordan. C. James Naismith. D. Kobe Bryant. Eighth question. Long Walk to Freedom is an autobiography of A. Abraham Lincoln. B. Nelson Mandela. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 9. Identify the company with this logo. 10th question. Who is known as the father of medicine? A. Aristotle. B. Hippocrates. C. Socrates. D. Edward Jenner. Question number 11. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in the field of A. Medicine and research. B. Peace and harmony. C. Banking and finance. D. Journalism, literature and music. Question number 12. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? A. Australia. B. USA. C. Canada. D. Norway. 13th question. Whose voice is this?
So we need to get master craftsmen. And why is it with a country of 1.2 billion people that we should have a nationwide shortage of masons, of plumbers, of certified electricians? We need to get more vocational training into the system. We're doing that. We're now rolling out the whole concept of community colleges so that kids can go in, have some academic learning, lots of vocational training, and at the end of 2 years, if they show tremendous academic promise, they can go back to a university. If not, they leave with a 2-year certificate and they go off and do a useful trade in a society that is clamoring for these skills. So these are the kinds of changes that we are trying to bring about and move along.
Question number 14. What is the pH value of human blood? A. 9.4. B. 7.4. C. 8. D. 10. Question number 15. Who was the best FIFA men's player in 2019? A. Neymar. B. Lionel Messi. C. Cristiano Ronaldo. D. Luka Modric. Question number 16. Which organ produces bile juice? A. Liver. B. Gallbladder. C. Pancreas. D. Small intestine. 17th question. Watch carefully. Identify this documentary short film which is the 2020 Oscar winner for documentary. short subject.
We teach children in poor places and we teach them skateboard. It's safe here for girls to learn. با مو خاطر خوش هستن و
ترس خدا را مردم خوش خوب نیست.
یک کسی که مکتب کسی که درس بخواند
بالا از او باز تصمیم آرسش ها بالا دیگه
زیادتر میخوایم پیلوت شم دکتر شم استاد
Question number 18. Who wrote this book? The Problem of the Rupee, its origin and its solution. A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Dr. Raghuram Rajan. C. Dr. Manmohan Singh. D. Dr. Abhijit Banerjee. 19th question. Who was the British Prime Minister during Indian independence? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Winston Churchill. C. Clement Attlee. D. Margaret Thatcher. Identify the person owning this voice.
You know, you have to be honest in life. You have to be honest to yourself. You have to be practical. You have to take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be calculated. You can't just say, okay, I took a risky option at some point of time. You have to be ready for the kind of talent that's really needed to achieve what you want to achieve. But at the same time, you have to take risk in life. So for me, being honest in life is very important. Hard work that you have to put, irrespective of what your profession is. The hard work, the honesty, respecting the elders, which I feel is the key.
Question number 21. What is the study of coins known as? A. Cartography. B. Papyrology. C. Numismatics. D. Semantics. Question number 22. The total number of ministers, including the Prime Minister, shall not exceed how much percentage of the Lok Sabha? A. 15%. B. 20%. C. 10%. D. 5%. Question number 23. Which is the most electronegative element in the periodic table? A. Fluorine. B. Chlorine. C. Nitrogen. D. Sulfur. Question number 24. Identify the country which has this flag. It is the only country in the world to have a non-quadrilateral flag. 25th question. Last question. Super cyclone Umbun made its landfall in India on 20th May 2020. Which country had suggested this name in 2004? A. Bangladesh. B. Myanmar. C. India. D. Thailand. Umbun means sky. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. I dedicate this quiz to doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, cops, cleaning crews, and indeed the migrant laborers in this pandemic. Thank you.